Welcome everyone to our tech chat. Today we're diving into a neat list of 50 C# interview questions. We cover everything from basic concepts to more expert level nuances.
Oh, wow, 50 questions. That's a comprehensive dive, isn't it?
Absolutely, it starts off with the fundamentals, like what C# is, which is a modern object-oriented language that's type-safe and runs on the .NET runtime.
Yep,
It's used in web, desktop, mobile, you name it.
right. And then it goes into details about the CLR, the heart of .NET, handling memory, garbage collection, and so on.
Exactly. It also explains garbage collection, the process that automatically cleans up unused objects. It's pretty much the unsung hero in managing memory efficiently.
True. And then, interestingly, it discusses value types versus reference types. It's a critical concept, especially when you get into the weeds with memory management.
Yes, indeed. Then they talk about arrays and C# data types, you know, int, float, double, and how those are the building blocks for more complex data structures.
Yeah. Moving on, we've got OOP principles: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. That part really reinforces the structure behind writing clean code.
Totally, it's like the very backbone of C# programming. And then the script throws in questions like types of classes, normal, static, abstract, sealed, and distinctions between const, read-only, and static members. This is key for anyone really trying to understand best practices.
Absolutely. You know, I kind of feel that while covering all these topics is essential, sometimes the jump to more advanced topics like delegates, lambda expressions, and events can feel a bit overwhelming for early learners, don't you think?
I see your point, but it's uh, a necessary challenge. It's like you have to go deep into the weeds to get a real feel for how flexible and powerful C# can be.
Right. That makes sense. Then it smoothly transitions to the advanced section, discussing method overloading and overriding, async/await, and LINQ, which are super relevant for modern applications.
Yes, exactly. It really builds on the basics. And it's fascinating to see how topics like generics, reflection, and even access modifiers evolve the discussion. It's a bit like assembling a toolkit for real-world coding challenges.
Definitely. And then we elevate to the expert level, right? With questions touching on async streams, memory management intricacies, differences between task, thread, and parallelism, and even dependency injection.
Precisely. It gets into nuanced details like the differences between throw and throw X, pattern matching, and tuple deconstruction. It's almost as if the list is saying, hey, if you're an interviewee, show us you can handle both the basics and these deep
Exactly.
dives.
I must say, the progression is clever. However, sometimes I wonder if squeezing all that into one interview prep guide might dilute the focus for beginners. It's important to choose what you need based on your level of expertise.
Oh, um, that's a valid concern. But I think the idea is to, present the full spectrum. It motivates candidates to bridge gaps in their knowledge, rather than simply memorizing
Right.
answers.
Yeah, I can see that. It really emphasizes clarity and true understanding over rote memorization. After all, interviewers value real-world application over just reciting textbook answers.
Exactly. And that's what makes this guide so valuable. It's like a roadmap for interview preparation that covers every base from fundamentals to expert level intricacies in C#.
Mhm. In summary, it's a great resource for anyone preparing for C-sharp interviews, highlighting everything from CLR, garbage collection, and OOP, to advanced topics like async programming and dependency injection.
Right. And remember, the goal is to develop the fluency to tackle each question with clarity and confidence. Thanks for the awesome chat. Happy coding, everyone.
Absolutely happy coding and good luck with those interviews.